Hi, Charlton. Which one's the baby? Which one's the baby? Are you the baby? Which one's the real baby? You are? Really? You're the real baby? Who's that? You're the real baby? Yes?
He's a big prince.
The
And
what?
I saw him, and he was a prince, and I was trying to fly away from him.
Who was trying to fly away?
I was.
Who were you trying to fly away from?
From my prince.
Why?
Because I wanted to fly. I wanted to fly asleep.
You wanted to fall asleep, so you flew away from your prince?
Yeah.
How did your prince feel?
He was trying to catch me.
He was trying to catch you?
Yeah.
But how did that make him feel that you ran away?
Give me the tech. I'll be right back.
Okay.
My own wings. I know how to fly from away from my home.
Okay.
Because I have wings on.
What do you think about that, Charlton?